I'm here to tell you just how satisfied I am with Guardian Roofing installing my new roof. Well, my roof was failing. It was leaking in spots, and I couldn't believe it. It was after just 7 years of having a new roof. So after a search, I decided to have Guardian Roofing come out and talk with me. And it was a fit right from the beginning. Justin patiently went through the process with me to get the leak repaired. As it turns out, that was the least of my problems. The technicians found many areas of disintegration, and they documented every one of them with photos and videos. So, after some thought, I did contract with Guardian Roofing to replace the entire roof, and I am just so glad I did. I couldn't be happier with the workmanship, the cleanup, and the professional demeanor of all personnel throughout this process. This also goes for the staff in the office. We had many conversations to help me through this process, and they patiently answered all my questions, and they even helped me secure financing. So now I realize how important it is that a roofing company with a high reputation and not just a general contractor install a roof. Well, I could go on, but this is sufficient to say just how happy I am with Guardian Roofing, and I recommend checking this company out. So now I sleep well at night knowing I have a sound roof over my head.